Hello, pre-K families. It's Miss Priestley, and we're going to talk about farm animals today. Now, you can go to Miss Lundell's video to listen to her read the book, Life on the Farm, Farm Animals, because we're going to just do a picture walk. And a picture walk is when you just walk through the book, you're turning the pages, you're just looking at the pictures. We want to make sure we know what different types of farm animals are. Right, we have a pig that's eating an apple on our title page. Now our table of contents lets us know that we will be seeing cattle, horses, hogs, sheep, and goats, and poultry. Now we first see cattle, and it tells us that it's beef cattle. Our next page shows us a goat. On a farm, you'll also see cows and their calf. The calf is the baby cow. And you'll see cattle on a farm, especially in Texas, which is where we live. And you will see lots of different cattle on different farms all throughout Texas. Horses, you'll see this fast running horse or other types of horses on a farm. This pig is enjoying some mud, and he's also on a farm. Well, she, it actually says it's a hog, female pig. Also, you will see sheep on the farm, and you see the baby. The baby is called a lamb. Poultry is on the farm, and one type of poultry is a turkey. So, gobble, 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 you'll see a turkey on the farm. Other poultry, you'll also see chickens on the farm. And here's a chicken. Here's a rooster next to this pumpkin. You'll see roosters on farms. You'll hear their cock-a-doodle-doo. We have geese. Geese are also on the farm. That ends our book. There's the back cover. Now we're going to practice to see what animals we know are on the farm. So we're going to answer the question, is this a farm animal? It's a pig. Was a pig on the farm? Yes. Thumbs up, a pig is on the farm. If it wasn't, we'd put a thumbs down. But we looked in our book about the farm and we did see a pig. So yes, pigs are on a farm. A rooster? Were there roosters in our book? Did we see a rooster? Are roosters on the farm? Yes. Yes, roosters are on the farm. Huh, what's this animal? Did we see bears on the farm? No, that's a thumbs down. We did not see bears on our farm. Here is a horse. Did we see horses on a farm? Thumbs up. Yes, we did. In our book, it had a white horse. What are these animals? Looks like a mom and a baby. Elephants. Were they on the farm? No. Very cool animal, but not on a farm. Cow. Was there a cow on the farm? Yes, a cow. We saw a cow on the farm. This bird. We saw poultry. Birds on the farm look like this. No, this is not a bird or poultry that you will find on the farm. Oh, look at this animal. It's sleeping. Was it on the farm? Yes, yes, it was on the farm. It's a sleeping baby lamb. Good night. Tiger. Is there a tiger on the farm? No. Thumbs down. No tiger on the farm. How many animals did you see? All the animals I just showed you on my PowerPoint slides when I was showing you different animals. Do you know how many I showed you? You count them all in your head brain? Think. Use your fingers if you have to. 9. Did you get 9? Yes? Yes. Well, how many animals are farm animals? I showed you 9 animals, but how many of them were on the farm? Did you guess 5? Did you count 5 of them? Yes. We had horse, lamb, cow, rooster, and pig. Those are our 5 animals on the farm. Well, how many animals are not farm animals? 5 of them were farm animals. We had 9 animals altogether. How many were not farm animals? Think. 4. Did you get 4 when you counted and thought about the animals? Good job. Good job. These are our 4 animals. We had 1 tiger, bear. Well, yeah, we have 2 elephants, but kind of keep them together as a family. An elephant family. And we have our toucan bird. So these are the animals that are not farm animals. Awesome. You did a great job. Thank you for watching my video. Have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye.